Hello friends and welcome to another lecture on operation research. Today we will learn in this presentation how do we classify queuing models. This is Professor Arvind Prasad. So let's go ahead with the classification. There's a standard way of classifying queuing models. So the classification is much more in a standard fashion. Well, it is written in curly brackets followed by the round brackets A oblique B oblique C colon D oblique E. Now let us understand what do A, B, C, D and E stand for. So here are the notations. A stands for the arrival distribution, B stands for the service time distribution, C stands for the number of servers, D the capacity of the system and E the queue or service discipline. So what are the kinds of arrival and service distributions that we can have? The first one of course is the Markovian or the exponential distribution. D is deterministic where the arrival and the service time distributions are constant. That is, the arrival and service time is constant. Now G is general distribution. G stands for general distribution where no assumption is made on the distribution of the arrival and the service time. There's no assumption. Okay. And GI stands for general probability distribution where the arrival and the service time distributions follow a normal probability. And EK stands for Erlang K distribution. So now let's look at any one model. Let's say you have a model M oblique 1 and then infinity FCFS. The first M stands for Markovian arrival time. The second M stands for Markovian distribution of service time. One stands for one server. Infinity stands for the system having infinite capacity. And FCFS stands for the queue discipline, which is nothing but the first come, first served. So that was all about how do you classify and write models on queuing. Hope you have liked this lecture. If you like it, do subscribe my channel and of course share this link with other friends who would be interested in this lecture and do ask them to subscribe it. That was all about how do we classify queuing models. Goodbye friends. Have a great day.